Good morning, gut feelers. Today we're gonna share with you my filling late morning breakfast for gut feelers that can sustain you for hours. I'm gonna go on a hike and I take you with me. The first thing I'm gonna have are those two lovely bananas, red bananas, really tasty, and then we're gonna have the sustaining filling breakfast, which is here, which I'm gonna take with me. So what is in here is millet. It's already cooked. I blended up the millet when it was dry, so it actually broke down a little bit. And then we have in there as well amaranth cooked. And I put in 1 tablespoon of fresh coconut meat, coconut grated. And I'm gonna add a little bit of almond milk right now. This is actually almond and walnut milk. Turning it on. I'm gonna add some fresh turmeric, anti-inflammatory, amazing. You can also use the powder if you want, and some cinnamon, all with one hand. There we go. Okay guys, here we are in the middle of the jungle, ready for late filling breakfast. Check this out, guys. So now what we have here is I put some raisins in as well. And the liquid stuff here is honey. It's orange because of the turmeric. Of course, clever Peggy forgot her spoon, so it's gonna be a very interesting primal way of eating this. I used my Opinel to stir it because there was no stick that I would like to put in the food. And now this is not for children. This content is not for children. I'm going to use the knife to eat it. Speaking with a split tongue. It's my favorite travel knife, guys. Opinel. This is number 6. The small one, you get it through every airport. I'll link that down below. I love this knife. Now, this is important for you to know, guys. If you have any gut struggles, you might not be able to do this as a late breakfast. It might not work for you any time in the day because this is quite a combination of foods. We have high-fat coconut in here, which, however, makes you full for a long time, and it also is very, very nourishing as coconut increases the value of all the foods that you eat, makes it easier to be absorbable. And we have almond milk, which is also high in fat, almond and walnut milk. Then the honey that I'm going to put on top, once it is cooled down, might not work this combination for you. You might want to just have honey over fruit, or just honey or just fruit. So make sure to trust your gut feelings here if this is a combination that can work for you, or if you're better off with keeping the breakfast simple for now, and then once your gut is here, you can always go more complex. Now, question of the day, I would love to know from you, what is your best sustainable breakfast that keeps you full for a longer period of time and that is gut healthy at the same time? Let me know in the comments below, I'm curious to hear, and now, bon appetit!